Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to apply to IIUM. Firstly, you go to your Google and type IIUM admission. Click to this website and it will bring you to this page. As a new user, you will need to create a new account. Click here and please fill in all the required information. After you completed this page, click register, and after that, you will receive a verification email from e-admission online application. Click the link given and it will bring you back to this page. So now, let's start with our application process. Firstly, enter the registered email together with your password and then create new application. For the Center of Studies, you can choose IIUM Academy of Graduate and Professional Studies. Program level, please choose postgraduate. And for the intake, please choose October intake. Then click create application and it will bring you to this first page of personal information. You fill in all the required information here and then click save. And then now we move to the next page, which is for your program selection. You can choose maximum 2 programs. For example here, the first program that you would like to apply is Business and Management. The program will be Master of Science in Islamic Banking and Finance, type of study part-time, mode of study coursework, and click Add Program. If you want to add one more program, simply choose one of these area of interest. For example, Halal Management, Program Master in Halal Industry and Management, type of study full-time, mode of study research, and please fill in your proposed research title. And then click Add Program. Now, we are ready to move to the third page, which is your academic qualification information. Add new qualification and please fill in all the required information. After that, click Save. Next, for work experience, the step is quite similar with the academic qualification. Click Add New Experience, fill in all the required information, and please upload any supporting document. And then click Save. And we move to the next page, which is sponsorship. If you are not under any sponsorship, you can choose the first option. Otherwise, please choose the second option and fill all the required information together with your undertaking statement letter. And click Save to proceed. Next is your supporting documents. Here you can see all the required documents to be uploaded. Please make sure that you have uploaded all the required documents before you proceed to the next page. For the preview page, you can check all the details that you have keyed in before. Please make sure all the details are correctly printed on this page, and we can move to the payment page. For the payment page, please follow and read the instruction given carefully. For the mode of payment, you can pay either via JomPay or telegraphic transfer. You can click either one. And then you should fill in all the information here and also upload the proof of payment. And then you can click Save Lastly, this is the submission page. Please click all the declaration here and click submit. After the submission, you will receive a notification from e-admission online application. Please check your email from time to time so that you can receive the updates of your application. Let's say if you need our assistance, feel free to contact us at academy-anr@live.iium.edu.my, or you can call us at 03-6421-5000. Till then, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.